Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto King Wakas. So, dear fans, as you know, I always come available project related to crypto token, NFT project, mining, website, play to ones, and a lot of more. So, dear fans, today in this video, I want to talk about a premier crypto exchange delivering secure, fast, and reliable digital asset management. So I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, so don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel Crypto King Wakas, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, welcome to AB Coin Exchange. Now you can also buy crypto, saving trade crypto, secure custody, worry free trade as well. Now you can also get registered before 10th September, and then you will get 11 to 15 September ABC coin for free. So this is a great opportunity to get AB coin. Must be registered before September 10th as well. Here you also check out the different popular tokens with their price at 24-hour volumes, and here we can also check out the reward section. And dear friends, you can also invite and get rewards, and you can also check the choose mining and trade efficiently and third party custody worry free productions here as well. And you can also check out the premium investment steady growth as well. Here we can also analyze the market analyze, as well as we can also check out the latest price and change of 24 hours of the different popular coins, as well as we can also easily buy from here as well. Here is a beginner's guide, and dear friends, you can start learning about digital currency trading. Here you also learn quickly understand fiat currency transactions, as well as you can also learn how to buy digital currency and how to sell numerical currency transactions as well. Here you also check out and you can also start your digital currency journey right now. So it is very easy way. Here you also get the lowest fees, and here the reliable security, 24 hours 7 a day online customer support, as well as optimal transaction fee rate here as well. Now you can also invite your friend and get rewards. So this is an awesome feature, dear fans. Now you can also enjoy the new reward center and earn more USDT. You can more invite your family and friends as well. Here you also explore endless possibility, like that you can do the copy trading, make successful trade with the live traders, and glean the latest market trends in second. And now you can also grow your business with exchange pay as well. As well as you can also hold your cryptocurrency fund to earn considerable income. So it is a very amazing saving feature is here as well. Now you can also trade anytime anywhere. So now you can also download its apps from the app store, as well as get it on Google Play, as well as you can scan QRC code and download, and you can use your mobile. So all trading functions are in your hand. Download the app immediately and start lightning trading performance and custom trading panel, easy asset switching on it as well. Now here want to start trading right away, so I recommend to all of you get registered your account immediately and starting trading as well. Here on the top you can also check out the menu. So here you can buy crypto, simple operation, fast trading, P2P, start trading. Now here you also analyze the market rich currency real time trend analysis, and here you also check out the shares category, like that classic, advanced, and ETF, as well as here you also check out the strategic trading, like that strategy trading, spot copy trading, and here is a launch pad, how new product for subscription, and here is a invite friends, trust center, and broker detail, and here you also check out the saving detail as well. Now let's check out how can we get registered. So simply click on the register now. So it is very easy way to get registered and start your crypto journey here as well. So dear friends, first of all you can choose your email or phone number, and then you need to select your country code, and then enter your mobile number and enter your password and invitation code, or find out my invitation code in my video description, and then simply click on the checkbox and then click on the sign up button, register, and you will need to process further the verification and get code on your mobile as well as your own mail, and you need to put it here, and then you will be able to get registered. So it is very easy way. So dear friends, I have already created my account, so I am going to be enter. So here I need to enter my mobile number, password, and then simply click on the login. Here is a security verification. Please slide to verify, and then you will verify it successfully, and you will get a verification code on your mobile phone, and you need to put it here as well. So here I am going to enter my code like this. Now you can also check that. Now it is successfully logged in, and here it is the first interface after entering the verification code, and it is very user friendly, dear friends. Here you can also check out your deposit, withdraw, transfer, trade history, and transfer record as well. Here you will also check out your profit or loss percentage here as well, and you will check out your valuations of the total asset as well. Now here you can also deposit your fund into your account. If you have already in your cryptocurrency, you can use your deposit function to transfer from one trading platform or wallet to your account as well. And if you want to be buy crypto directly using cash, with this you will be buy from here as well. Here you will also check out your fund detail as well. Now here if you want to be deposit, so simply click on the deposit button, and here first you need to select your currency which you want to be deposit, like that USDT or other currency, and then you need to select your network which you want to be select, like that TRC20. Here we can also check out a QRC code we can scan, or we can copy the address and send any amount from our cryptocurrency wallet, and the minimum deposit is 0.01 USDT, and receive network confirmation number is 1, and it is very fast. And here you will also check out the contract information. Now you can easily deposit your amount here, and dear friends, you can also buy directly cash from for free and great for new user. So let's check out how can you buy it very with your card as well. So it is also very easy and simple way. Here you need to follow 3 simple steps to buy currency as well. So select the currency and fiat currency to confirm, and choose your preferred transaction method and payment method, and then once the payment is confirmed, you purchase currency automatically by transferring your account as well. Here you select which currency you want to be paid to buy this one, like that. Here are different currencies, like that I am choosing AAD, and then you will check out you will get a USDT or any other cryptocurrency which you want to be select. So then you need to enter your amount, how much you want to be spend here, and then you will check out how much you will get, and here you need to pay with Alchemy Pay as well. So click on the buy BTC. So if you want to be sell, so it is also easy way. Here you need to select your currency, and then you will get the USD which currency you want to be get, and here you need to pay with customer to customer and then sell. It is very easy way here as well. Now it is up to you which you want to be buy or deposit or here as well. Here you will also check out their third party detail, as well as you can also check peer-to-peer detail as well. So it is very easy way to make here as well. Now you can also do your spot trade here, and open order, open history, and trade history as well. Now it is very easy way to use this amazing platform as well. Here you also check out your overview, and here is the identity verification, and I also recommend it to all of you, all my community, all my friends. So dear friends, anyone who registered and finished KYC before September 10 will get USDT deposit into his IAB coin AB account on September 11 to 15. So it can be withdraw after 15. It is very easy way, and I recommend it to all of you. Must be verified. It's only take 3 to 5 minutes to complete the identity verification to protect your from fund and eligible risk as well. Here you also check out the account details and everything here as well. So it is very easy way to make a lot of income here as well. Now here you also invite your friend and earn a lot of passive income. So dear friends, here you also check out your invite code and invitation link. You need to copy this one, invite your friend, and enjoy a reward. So dear friends, if you invite friend to earn a 20% commission on trading fee, and the invited friend can enjoy a 10% discount on trading fee rate as well. So here you also check out the simple steps you follow. So you send invitation code, friend completed registration and trade, and you will get reward income as well. Here you will also check out the dashboard and everything. about your invitation and invitation reward detail as well. So amazing feature is here, and now let's check out the IEO how to protect fee. And here we can make new tokens. Here you will check out about everything, you will be able to participate here as well. Now here is another amazing feature of the saving and defense simple safe front deposit, earn interest immediately as well. So in progress, and then you will able to calculate your income here and subscribe it here, so you will get 4% current deposit detail and here as well. So here you will also check out the BTC as well as Ethereum. Now you these are in progress, and then you will be able to participate and get a lot of income here as well. So this is an awesome project. You can also check out the advanced ETF as well as the study trading and spot copy trading, and you can also use the live trader and make easy trading and get a profit here as well. So it is very low risk, super stable and easy to use defense. You need to follow anyone who is here, and then you will check out their exchange and how they will be doing here as well. So defense, this is an awesome project that can really have to make a lot of profit here, and you must be follow their complete enable two factor authenticator to your security, and here as well as you need to verification of your email. So it's a very easy security verification that secure your account as well. I also recommended to all of you must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates as well. So only 2 days left until the official launch of the AB coin. So get ready to experience the future of crypto trading, and then you will able to get reward as well. Here you also check all information. I also recommended to all of you must be join its Telegram to get latest news and updates as well. You also check out the IB Coin Exchange Git book and learn more information as well. So this is an awesome opportunity for everyone to make a lot of passive income and profit here. I hope so you like this video and share with your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.